Master Multitasking Power. How to thrive in today's world. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about multitasking power. The days of focusing on one task and working diligently on it are over. What we need now is the ability to handle many different things simultaneously. For example, juggling your work project with a hobby or learning a new skill during your free time. Today, I'll be sharing the benefits of multitasking power and how you can develop it. Let's dive in. First, why is multitasking power so important today? It's because the internet is dissolving the barriers between industries. In the past, the television industry, automobile industry, and fashion industry all operated in their own separate worlds. But now, with the rise of the internet, these industries are becoming interconnected. For example, cars are connecting to smart devices, and soon cars may just become moving chairs. With these changes, the ability to seamlessly jump between different fields and ideas is more important than ever. This is why multitasking power is essential in today's world. So, how do you develop multitasking power? The answer is simple. First, get obsessed with one thing. Whether it's your hobby studies or work project, just dive into it with full force. I remember once getting so into reading a book that I didn't realize it was 3 a.m. After that, take the concentration and curiosity you've cultivated and slide it over to the next area of interest. By repeating this process, you'll start discovering new ideas and opportunities across various fields. Now, let's go over some practical techniques for developing multitasking power. 1. Break free from old thinking. First, break free from the old mindset that working diligently on one task is the best way. In the past, chefs would spend years mastering their skills, but nowadays with the internet, you can learn cooking techniques in no time. The need for years of apprenticeship is no longer necessary. 2. Let go of perfectionism. Next, let go of perfectionism. You don't have to do everything perfectly by yourself. Focus on your strengths and delegate tasks that others or tools can handle. 3. Reclaim your time. In order to exercise multitasking power, it's crucial to reclaim your time. For example, phone calls they often waste your time. If you are constantly being interrupted, it breaks your concentration. The same goes for pointless meetings. Don't be afraid to take control of your time by cutting out unnecessary interruptions. Also, have the courage to say no to work that doesn't excite you or feels draining. Your time is valuable, so protect it. 4. Use tools to improve efficiency. Next, let's talk about using tools to improve efficiency. We live in a time where technology can significantly reduce the amount of manual effort we need to put into tasks. Why do everything yourself when there are apps, tools, and software that can help you save time and energy? For example, instead of spending hours managing your schedule, you can use an app to automate it. Or if you're working on a project, there are plenty of collaborative platforms that can streamline communication and project management. The key is to work smarter, not harder. Let technology do the heavy lifting, and you can focus on what truly matters. 5. Leverage your efforts. Finally, let's talk about leveraging your efforts. We all have only 24 hours in the day, but with leverage, you can expand your impact. For example, if you upload a video on YouTube, it works for you 24/7, even while you sleep. This is the power of leverage. You can also use newsletters or social media to reach many people at once. By using leverage, you can free up more time for yourself while still achieving your goals. Explore ways to create your own leverage in your daily life. Summary. To wrap wrap it up, multitasking power is the ability to jump from one thing to the next, focusing on what you love and what excites you. Start by concentrating intensely on one thing, then transfer that energy to something new. By using the techniques we talked about today, you'll be able to master multitasking power and live a more dynamic, fulfilling life. Let's all aim to develop multitasking power and create more exciting and productive days ahead. If you found today's video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. I'll be sharing more tips on how to boost your productivity efficiently, so be sure to turn on notifications as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.